Owl. An owl is a bird. There are two basic types of owls, typical owls and barn owls. Owls live in almost every country of the world. An owl has a big head, flat face, hooked beak, short tail, and sharp talons. The wings of an owl are long. Owls have brown, gray, or white plumage with streaks or spots. The owl's eyes are unusual. Both the eyes of the owl are face front. The owl cannot move its eyes. Owls can see very well far away. They can see up close very well. Owls have facial discs around their eyes. These discs are thought to help the owl's hearing. Owls can move their heads 180 degrees. Owls are awake at night. They hunt for mice and other small mammals, insects, and other birds. They have very good hearing, which helps them to hunt well in the darkness. There are a lot of myths and superstitions about owls. Just like other birds, owls also have symbolic meaning in ancient culture. Thank you.